We support OEM and ODM, and we can customize hardware or software systems. Innovation and quality has always been our core concept. We have modern factory in Shenzhen, China. The strict QA and QC quality control system guarantees the quality of our products. Also, our products have been already sold to many countries, such as Europe, US, Brazil, and Southeast Asia. We adhere to the customer first, a deep understanding of customer needs. Take the initiative to take responsibility. We always try our best to improve customer experience and satisfaction.